I am recording right now as I plug everything back in. This is amazing. This is spectacular. That's Stormy right there and her guinea pigs. This is Christian plugging things back in to the walls. Ladies and gentlemen, the wall is plugged. Oh God, guinea pig. I'm in my room, my man room. Plug that in. Plug that in. Go ahead, come over here. Oh man, so much stuff to plug in. It's not all gonna fit. Nope, definitely not. What about over here? Oh my God. Who created this thing? It's fucking magnificent. I don't know what that is. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was me plugging things in to the wall. Over and out.